Here's a detailed YouTube video script for the 2026 Jeep Grand Cherokee, assuming you meant Jarnal Jeep, as a review of a Jeep model in the United States in English. I'll make it engaging and informative, with all sections exterior, interior, performance, and conclusion ready for a professional automotive channel. YouTube video script, 2026 Jeep Grand Cherokee review. Intro, midnight to 0:20. Movie camera opening shot, sweeping drone footage of the 2026 Jeep Grand Cherokee driving through rugged mountain roads and a modern city skyline. Host on camera, hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new 2026 Jeep Grand Cherokee, a perfect mix of American toughness and modern luxury. We'll explore its exterior, interior, performance, and see if it truly stands as one of the best SUVs of the year. Exterior, 0:21 to 1:40. Movie camera close-up pans over headlights, grille, and wheels. Host voiceover, from the first glance, the 2026 Grand Cherokee makes a bold statement. The front fascia has been redesigned with a sleeker 7-slot grille, now paired with slimmer LED matrix headlights for a sharper look. The body lines are more aerodynamic, giving it a modern edge without losing that rugged Jeep DNA. You get new wheel designs ranging from 18 to 21 inches, and the ground clearance up to 11.3 inches with the adjustable air suspension ensures it's still trail ready. At the back, the LED tail lights stretch across the tailgate, and the updated bumper adds a more premium touch. Interior, 141 to 310. Movie camera moves inside, showcasing dashboard, seats, and infotainment system. Host voiceover, step inside, and the Grand Cherokee feels more upscale than ever. Premium materials like Napa leather, open-pore wood trim, and brushed aluminum details create a refined atmosphere. The centerpiece is Jeep's latest Yukon Next 6 system, a massive 12.3-inch center touchscreen, paired with a 10.25-inch digital driver display, and an optional 10.25-inch passenger screen. The seats are not just heated and ventilated in the front and rear, but also feature a massage function for long drives. Ambient lighting with 64 customizable colors sets the mood, and with the 19-speaker Macintosh audio system, the sound quality is nothing short of concert level. Performance, 311 to 420. Movie camera footage of the Jeep on highways, off-road trails, and towing a trailer. Host voiceover, under the hood, you have multiple powertrain options. The base model offers a 3.6-liter Pent-Asta V6 with 295 horsepower, while the upgrade is a 5.7-liter V8 pushing out 360 horsepower. There's also the plug-in hybrid 4xe variant, delivering a combined 375 horsepower and an impressive 470 lb-ft of torque, with up to 28 miles of electric-only range. The Quadra-Lift air suspension automatically adjusts for off-road or highway driving, while the Quadra-Track 24x4 system ensures traction in all conditions. Towing capacity tops out at 7,200 pounds, perfect for boats, trailers, or campers. Conclusion, 4:21 to 5 o'clock. Movie camera slow-motion driving shots at sunset. Host on camera, the 2026 Jeep Grand Cherokee blends capability, comfort, and cutting-edge tech in a way few SUVs can. Whether you're navigating city streets, cruising the highway, or tackling rugged trails, it's built to deliver. With its refined design, advanced features, and strong performance, it remains a top contender in the midsize SUV segment. So, what do you think? Does the new Grand Cherokee deserve the crown as America's most versatile SUV? Let me know in the comments. dash dash. If you want, I can also prepare a catchy YouTube title, SEO optimized description, and hashtags for this script so it's ready to upload. That would make it complete for ranking in searches.